Hey, what is going on, traders? This is Maps Trades. Welcome to my YouTube platform, my YouTube channel, my trading platform. This is the place where you can get everything you need to trade on the Forex markets. But then today we are going to be looking at this powerful strategy that you can trade on the 5-minute chart, and you can tackle the US30. Okay. So, just to recap on what we spoke about yesterday, I showed you guys the things that need to be present in order for you to actually trust these signals, okay? Because now, remember, an indicator just shows you opportunities, and you as the trader, you need to actually filter out the bad trades from the good trades, okay? So now, we spoke about finding the right trading condition. All right, we always want to be trading when there's a breakout, trend line breakout, or when price is trading within a range. Okay, that's typically, or that's when exactly we want to be actually finding opportunities in the market. Okay, so it's very simple, guys. Trading is very simple, but I feel like I just rushed through it, so I just want to slow it down for you guys and just explain to you every single component of this wonderful system. Okay, so the strategy that we're looking at, it's called the Onyx Scalper. Okay, it's a scalping strategy which works on the 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart. Okay, and then basically you trade this to find the small movements, the micro movements, those daily movements. You can use this strategy to trade. You can day trade with it. You can trade every single day with it. The better you get, the more experience you get, you can even start generating consistent income on a daily basis. So then it's basically up to you how much you want to make from this kind of a system, from trading the online markets. And yeah, you just need to put in the effort. But anyways, let's just dive into it. Okay, so the US30. So now let's just take a quick tour of the system. Okay, yeah. So like I said, it works on the 1-minute, it works on the 15-minute and the 5-minute. Okay, it doesn't work on the larger time frames. Okay, so if you put it up on the monthly chart and the H4, it's not gonna work. Okay, so it only works on the smaller time frames. Okay. And then once you load it up on your chart, it says Onyx Scalper right there. That's the name of the strategy. The trading style, you can switch that up. You can change that and make it whatever you want. You can flip it to aggressive, and then you can put conservative or medium, right? So right now, I think it's on conservative. We'll just have a look there. Oh, it's on medium, sorry. Because we don't really want to be taking too many risks, okay? So we want to be taking the trades that we are sure are going to get us paid. Okay. So anyway, it tells you right there, trading style is medium. Some of you are aggressive, so just make sure you put that aggressive. And then it says the last signal that it gave was a buy signal. Okay. So I'll explain to you what that means in just a bit. And then they say time until the next candle. Okay. This is how much time the current 5-minute candle has before it closes. And then the current time right now is this time where I am. And then optimal entry, yes or no. And yeah, but that's basically the information that you're going to get from this. So now let's jump into the charts. Okay, as you can see, there's these blue bands here and these yellow bands here, and then there's that blue dot there and that red dot there. Okay, so now let's start with the blue dots. Okay, the blue dot just simply tells you that these were buying opportunities. This is a buying market here. Okay, and another thing that you need to know is that this indicator doesn't repaint. The company that makes these indicators, they do not repaint. So what happens, what's going to be happening here isn't going to change like in the future. So it is what it is. Okay. So anyway, a blue band is a buying market. This yellow band is a selling market. Okay, and then this dot over here, that's simply, it tells you that that's an optimal entry over there. So let's say when it started painting there, you'd actually want to open up a trade at the optimal entry, which is a buy trade over there. Okay, and then over here you see the yellow band began to form, and then it like popped up with that red dot there. That was the optimal entry to sell. Okay, so as you're trading, it will give you a pop-up and tell you, okay, now it's time to buy, now it's time to sell, and then it'll give you the stop loss and the take profit. Okay, the recommended stop loss and take profit. Okay, So yeah, that's basic. It'll basically walk you through it. You know, it's very much similar to the Fibble Quantum, but this one is based on the lower time frames. Okay, those fast movements. For those, because I know some people don't want to be trading on the larger time frames. They want to trade now and make their money now. They don't want to wait for nobody, and that's okay. You know, this caters for you guys. Okay, if you want to make money every single day, this is the strategy that you need to start getting and to know and start practicing. Okay, so anyways, um like I said, it said here the last signal was a buy in the current market. You see now it's blue here. Okay, it means that we're supposed to be buying this market, and you know it says the last signal was buy. There was an optimal entry down there, so it already gave a signal to buy before I loaded up loaded this thing up on my platform. You know, and then it pops up and gives you the take profit and stop loss, and then you can trade according to that. Okay, you can also get this indicator to send you signals directly to your email address, or you can get it to send you a text message to your phone. Okay, how sick is that? All right, no need to get these expensive signals from these signal providers. You can just get this to send you signals all day, every day. Okay, and then now if you want to get signals 24/7, you're gonna need to have a VPS. Okay, because you're always gonna need to be connected to the internet, and that's possible through a VPS. If you need that, just reach out to me, and then I'll sort you straight. Okay. So now you know the basics. Okay, what are the takeaway points? This is a very fast moving strategy. You can trade fast moving pairs. I mean, it's not just limited to the US30, but this is the US30 Day 2 series, baby. Okay, but anyway, you can trade the NAS 100, you can trade the GBP USD, you can trade Bitcoin, you can trade gold, you can trade whatever you like. Okay, but I feel like it works very well with the US30, especially on the broker that I'm on. You know, the US30 pays a lot. You know, you can make a ton of money trading with the US30 if you do it properly. Okay. So anyway, guys, let's just go into it a bit deeper. Oh yeah, like I said, the takeaway points is this is a scalping strategy. No need to wait a very long time to make money. You can trade anything. It's not just limited to the US30. You know, you get a take profit entry price and a stop loss, which is very good. It helps you to manage your risk. Another important thing is, or another bonus is, you can get signals emailed to you directly from this system. So that's very powerful. That is very powerful. And you can get the signals sent to you via text to your phone. That is insane. That is crazy. That is mind blowing. If you're mind blown, make sure you type in mind blown in the comments. Okay. So anyway, guys, that's basically the intro. That's basically everything that you need to know in order to get started. Okay, and also it comes with a manual on how to trade this, blah blah blah. You know, people don't like to read manuals, but if you do get this, I do suggest that you do read the manual, because you know some people just buy stuff and they don't really read the manual and just want to do stuff. You know, so yeah. Anyways, that's it, guys. So let's just do a quick analyzation of the US30 right quick. Okay, so let's say we want to be trading. What would we be looking for? Okay, so basically you can start on an H1 chart, but I like to, today I just feel like starting on the lower time frame. I'm just gonna do the trend lines on the lower time frames. Okay, so this is what I do. Okay, and you don't have to do it the way I do it. You can do it the way you feel like it's gonna be profitable for you. But I'd draw a trend line, preferably at the top and the bottom. Okay, and like I'd wait for me to actually take a trade. I'd want to actually see like some sort of a trend line breakout, or I'd wait to see you know, like I'd wait to see something like that. You see, like if I saw this earlier and I put a trend line there at those 2 points, and then the price actually broke out there of that trend line, I'd actually be wanting to take a buy based on that kind of setup. So I'd want to see a trend line breakout. I'd want to see you know, the Onyx scalper giving me an entry, and that's actually how I'd actually take the trades. Okay, so I'd just keep it simple. Okay, keep it simple, right? And then for those of you who are still wondering where these trend lines coming from, okay, you can even zoom out to the H1 to get your more accurate trend lines. Okay, I'll draw them something like that. I'll draw this for my bottom trend line, because sometimes on the 5-minute chart it's not really always possible for you to see the bottom trend lines and the top trend lines. Okay, so as a tip, you can start on the H1, but you don't have to. Okay, you don't have to. You can just start on the 5-minute and get it cracking, especially when the market is very active or is active. So like in such instances where the market opens, at the New York Open, that's when you'd actually want to be like expecting to find positive, powerful trades. Okay, so anyways, like I said, guys, we're in a range right now. We're in a range. You see price, this is the bottom of the range, that's the top of the range. So if you see the price going up there, you probably expect to sell this, okay, if it rejects. But then now if it breaks out and the Onyx scalper tells you that it's time to push up, you better be buying that thing. Okay, so it, like, the trend lines is just a bonus for you to actually give you structure so that you can understand what you're doing. Okay, because you don't want to get confused. You want to get you don't want to get into the wrong trades. Okay, you want to use the structure to confirm the entry points that the Onyx scalper is telling you. Okay, so anyways, guys, that's it from me. That's all I wanted to share with you guys today. I just wanted to give you like a brief introduction to each and every component of this Onyx scalper, right? So if you're interested in this strategy, make sure that you hit the link in the description. It will take you to the place where you can actually get this for yourself and start applying it to your trading. Okay, it's very easy, guys. It's not magic. I know some people think trading is magic. It's not magic. It's just how much effort you want to put in, and how consistent you want to be. Because I know some people, they just want to try strategy once and then they don't really stay consistent with it. Okay, and they just let things pass by like that. But anyway, that's not what you're gonna do. You are gonna be consistent and you're gonna be learning. Okay, so anyway, if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. If you need to get into contact with me, all the details are in the description. So let's chop it up, guys, and I hope you guys have a great trading week. Make sure that you make a lot of money before the market closes tomorrow. All right, so I need to I need to get trading, guys. I've got some trades running on the NAS 100 which I just want to check, and then yeah, it's gonna be a good trading day. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Leave a like and a comment and subscribe to see more videos from your boy. Thank you so much.